Welcome everybody to another week of Your Weekly Inspiration by your dynamic friends. And I am Dynamic Tammy along with
Dynamic Bruce.
Dynamic Jennifer.
Even though he doesn't say it, but whatever.
Oh, I know it, Jen. He's losing it. He's losing it. Okay, so our goal here at Dynamic Designs is to inspire you, to help you with your brand, to help you guys get above your competition. And today we do that by showing you some cool new products that we have. And also Bruce has got a special going on, right, Bruce?
Yep.
Okay. And we're going to mention that so you guys can make sure you go to our website. He's going to show you exactly where that is on our website. And then we got a couple, we have a couple dates that we want to share with you as well. So we're going to start with, actually, we're going to start with me today. I'm going to start. I've got an awareness kit. I want to show this to you guys. You can kind of see this, and this is through one of our partners, Tekweld. Okay, and just think about this because I know it's going to be August, and well, yeah, actually it is going to be August coming up, and we have to start thinking about the fall, and cancer awareness is coming up. Now, Tekweld has some great kits. This is, you can see this. This is a little mint thing that we have here. In here, we also have a wallet, a phone wallet type thing. You can stick on the back of your phone.
Or in your boot.
Or in your boot, yeah. And then we have a little chapstick thing here, and then we have some wipes right here, okay? And these are, now look at this, you get like 4 products in one, right? Minimum quantity for Tekweld is $1.50, and you're looking around $6.15. But just remember, this is a great product with all of these things in it. 4 different items.
Easy to hand out.
What's that?
Easy to hand out.
Easy to hand out. And look at my hands are not touching this. This is the outside. Everything inside is until I go inside it, but it's in a nice little package here. So cool. People are going to love this. I think this is a great product. Again, it's an awareness kit from Tekweld. If you're looking for this item, it's KIT110. And just give us a call. Let us know what you're looking for. But it's a great product, and you can have your imprint on it, and you can brand and build your business. So that's my product. Jennifer, what do you got?
Mine's kind of similar to yours, Tammy. We probably should check ours out before we started.
Wow.
Mine is also a kit from Tekweld, but mine is the Gym Necessity Kit. But there's some similar products in it that you had in yours, Tammy. So you can imprint on the pouch. There's 4 items that you can imprint on, I guess. Okay, so comes in a nice pouch like Tammy is. Mine comes with earbuds, so when you're working out, you can jam out, listening to your music on the treadmill.
Polka time.
Then it comes with a microfiber towel, full color print on there. So you could, like, I don't know, wipe down your screen, wipe down the equipment if you want. Mine has the smart wallet too, but mine's a little bit different than yours. Mine has like the kickstand to it, so it snaps and then you can like set it up.
Oh.
It's a little bit different. And then mine also has the antibacterial wipes in it. So yeah, you get this to print on, this to print on, this to print on. I'm sure you can print on this, and you get the pouch can have a decal put on it, so you get a lot of imprint areas for this. Minimum quantity is 150, and my kit starts at $7.70.
Oh, okay. My kit's a little less expensive, isn't it?
Wow.
A little.
You guys were cheating with the kit thing.
Yeah, I got earbuds.
Well, I knew your product was close to mine because the kit number, I think yours is KIT111.
One.
Yeah.
111.
Wow, easy to remember.
Cool products.
All right, so we're heading over to Bruce right now, and Bruce, we're pretty excited about this because this is a really good deal that's out there. Cap America.
It is. It's probably upside down. You can't read it, but Cap America, one of our main vendors, has some closeout deals. An embroidered hat for $5 plus a little bit of shipping. Okay, minimum's $24. Go to capamerica.com. You can see the closeouts or on our website, right? What section you got to go to again? I don't have it up in front of me.
So if you go to Dynamic Designs Pulaski, I'm just going to go there really quick here. Jen will probably end up getting it faster than me.
It'll be on there to show you all the styles that are being discontinued and what quantity is left, which is neat. So once they're gone, they're gone. It's kind of like a one-time deal, but there's tons of colors, tons of different styles, and you're not going to see a hat for $5.
No, you're not.
Really, really good deal. Embroidered hat.
So
yes.
If they go to our website, dynamicdesignspulaski.com, and then go to closeouts under what's new, it's under what's new, and then closeouts, you'll be able to get there.
There's a ton of them.
And then you can also go, once you click on it and you're in Cap America's, you can actually see the inventory. You can click on it again and just see the inventory. So,
and they update that once a day, so it's pretty current.
That's right. So, okay, so those are our 3 products for you guys. We have some upcoming events. Jennifer, the live fashion show. Tell us when that is.
It is going to be this Thursday, the 30th. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can watch it on our Facebook page live. I'm not sure who's all modeling. I think Annette, me, Michaela, Tammy, and maybe a special guest.
I think there might be a special guest.
Interesting.
Not really sure who, but
wow, cool.
they'll have to just show up.
It's ladies only, so.
Ladies only, yeah, I like that.
So we know it's not going to be Bruce.
No discrimination there, people.
No discrimination there.
Yep.
So, second thing, we have August 6th, we have a digital marketing strategies lunch and learn through the Shawanoe Country Chamber. And then August 19th, we have a LinkedIn business presentation.
Those are all Zooms? Are those Zooms?
Check it out. Yep. Check it out on our website under events, and you can see what's happening over there. Always something happening at Dynamic Designs. So we want to make sure you guys get to our website and check it out, because we are continually updating things on there. We've got new things. We've got a lot of things happening. Catalogs, you can look things up. You can research things. If you need to give us a call to go through it. If you have questions, let us know. We are here for you guys. We're here to inspire you, to build your brand, and to get you some business, because that's, you know what, that's what it's all about. In the end, it's, you know, getting some business, right? And we are here to help you guys out with that. So with that, we hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you next time around.
Bye.
Bye-bye.